Welcome to Seven Sisters Kitchen. Today, we are shooting at Cafe Cherrapunjee, one of the tourist hotspots en route to Cherrapunjee. The dish we are cooking for the day is Mylliem Chicken. It is a local delicious dish cooked using Khasi peppercorns. So let's watch how it's cooked. The ingredients we need are heat up the oil in a wok and saute till onions are soft. Add the pepper and tomatoes and fry till they are mixed well. Now add the turmeric and chicken pieces. Add some water or stock and season with salt. Leave it to cook till meat is tender, then garnish with more pepper and lemon juice. The chicken is ready. Serve it hot with fresh salad. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to Seven Sisters Kitchen for more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.